Guys, welcome back my YouTube channel Crypto Game World. So guys, today in this video I want to talk very unique and amazing platform that have showing in the video. So guys, before going to start the further review, I would request if you are new my YouTube channel Crypto Game World, so please like and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for upcoming video notifications. So let's start the review now. So let's start the further review. Disclaimer: this video is educational purpose only. It is not a my financial advice. It is not a financial advice. Please do your own research. You can make foreign investment. Here you can see this amazing platform Caterpillar token, and you can check out all of information how to buy this token and make money online. 2% burn on every buy and sell. The journey of become beautify being. Now here you can see this contact address. You can copy this contact address and make money online. So guys, this platform have a massive potential inside. Here you can see this no dev, no road maps, and 100% community drive. Here you can see this dex tool information and buy slave. Here you can see this amazing profile like that. Here you can see this tokenomics 50% starting supply and burn of 50%, 15.9% burn, and 42% remaining supply and 2% tokenomic tax. And here you can see this holder 2k holders like that. The story of Caterpillar token. Here you can see, you can read out in the waste garden a lost caterpillar wonder longing in the spread is being a beautifully hearing to the spread token. He saw hope, but to change he needed to a special supply. With the transaction the supply burned 2% to the tokens supply increasing closer dream. Here you can see, and also check out all of information like that about stories. Here you can see this buy swap. You can buy this token and make money online. Here you can see this amazing text tool information and min NFT. Here you can see the social media's contact like that, Twitter community and Telegram community. This all of official link in my video description. Caterpillar, Maelstrom and media. Here you can see April 2024 20 launch 28 100k MCR which, and here you can see my 2024 and July and August. Here you can see and join the Caterpillar Army. The Caterpillar Army is a social community of Caterpillar token holders are supported directly to the growth of the token and community who not drive to no roadmap and no risk contact it up army to promote you token and protect if your production who can harm and burn the community. So guys, here you can see we are the presented art spender bits and anyone else he can super cute and short of our goals. Here you can see, and you can most check out and most read out join the Caterpillar Army information. Here you can see this social platform like that. You can must be follow this the beautiful as information. Check out mint 1 of 10 animates where and win 20 BNB. And here you can see this join LP fight assistant scammer of fund and the battery of the molecules offer. Here you can see future 234 NFTs like that. The beautiful contact address. Here you can see this the butterflies, and here you can see this contact address like that. You can copy this contact address and make money online. Here you can see this mint 1.5 and mint 0.05 BNB NFT reminders and mint of rare board. Here you can see like that the Cocon. Here you can see this Cocon information as the corporate token community travels in a speech of the become strongest and most transactive meme coin of the Binance Smart Chain opportunity. We hear some marketing on buyback on bond. All members of the community army on the guest on BNB to Carter B20 wallet elected. Here you can see this contact address like that copy, and here you can see 0 BNB 5 and 100 BNB. Here you can see this BIP20 community dialective wallet, and here you can check out all of information about this websites. So you can must be follow this Telegram community. This official link in my video description. You can join and make money online that have latest update news in which. Here you can see this buy and exchange the token on Pink Sales Swap. And first of all, you can important note. You can check out some risk, and here you can see this cancel collect button, and here you can see this swap this token, and here you can check out. And first of all, here you can see, and first of all contact your wallet MetaMask, Trust Wallet and OLX Binance. Here you can see and easily wallet you can contact it, and here you can see this choice the currency like that. You can swap this token, and here you can see I will click the BNB Smart Chain, and here you can see this token you can buy and make money online. Here you can see the like this tokens and I will connect you and I will show, yeah, I will check it, and guys, and you can find and first of all connect, and you can swap this token and make money online. Here you can see this DEX tool information like that. You can see this trading graph like that. Here you can see this market price and liquidity and second supply. Here you can see holders and total market cap and 24 volumes and total supply like that, and volatility information like that. Here you can see this all of information. Here you can see this transaction history like that. You can check out and make money online. This project a real unique and massive platform, and here you can see this all of information, this platform about this the better flow is. Here you can see this rare board information like that. Here you can see this Twitter community, this official link in my video description, and here you can see on buy and sales reminder community on. Here you can see this like that. Here you can see this post, and you can watch this post and make money on it. You can must be follow this Twitter community that have a latest update news in which you can check out all of information about this platform. I hope you like this video. See you fans, see you next video. Thanks for watching.